Hey, check it out, guys. Now, this is for the noobs, the newer hams who weren't into the hobby during the last solar maxima and what 10 meters can sound like. I'm not on 10 meters today, but 20 meters is very, very quiet today. And every now and then, a signal pops out of the quietness. It about scares me, man. You know what I mean? I'll be listening to just band noise while I'm doing something else. Then an S9 plus 20 signal will rock me out of my chair. The sound is different. The sound of 10 meter CW and single sideband is different than most of the other HF bands. Signals jump out at you from nothing. I'm going to try to find one, a stronger signal. Hang on. Listen. and QSB and QSB ruins my video. Listen to how loud he is compared to the band noise, and look at my S meter. He's only an S what? He's not even moving the meter, and he's still very clearly audible. Whoa. Oh, a band swooper. See, that was that band swooper was probably 20 over 9. Hang on, man. And he's gone. Hang on. There. Listen to that. Not to him, but to the band noise. Okay, there you go, man. What do you think 10 meters is going to sound like in a few years? He's S7. What do you think 10 meters is going to sound like in a few years when the guy's 30 dB over 9? And the band noise is dead silence. That kind of crap there, man, will scare you. That kind of crap there, man, it raises the hairs on my neck and head. It really does, man. Ain't no joke. How do you think I was able to communicate with a southern Argentinian ham using 2.5 milliwatts and getting an honest 579? I was moving his S meter to the 7 point using 2.5 milliwatts. I'll link the story below. It's called a QRP story. Conditions on 10 during solar maxima can be as if you're connected to the other end with a freaking wire. With a freaking wire. Let's take a quick listen to 10. It's possible, but not likely. Hang on. Yeah, no such luck. Not today. Well, let's just focus would work. Hang on, man. Another lesson. for the newer hams out there. Don't ever not make a call because you think the band is dead. Just because you don't hear another signal on the band, don't assume it's dead. When the band cracks open, someone's got to be the first one to call CQ. 73.